Hey, how's it going guys? Asad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the hiding an element, so how you can hide an element. So let's begin. So first we need to know what CSS properties are available here. So let me show you. In the what we gonna do when I click hide all products, it's gonna hide all of them. So for that to happen, we need to change something, trigger a chain of event. So let's find the hide. So you can see there is a hide here, and it's a checkbox, right? So we can get that, and we will change the style of the list. The list, what that is, right? Let me find that. What the heck is that? Yeah, mm, product list, right? So here, and we will add append and what we call a style, which will be changed into when checked it will become none, and it will change into initial when it will be what we call unchecked. So you can see here it's there already. Product list hide, where that is, yeah, hide. So hide will be here, and after that we will inherit those. So let's begin. Let's begin our work. First we need to comment out that so that we can easily understand. So what we call hide products, and let's begin. First we're gonna take the query selector, document dot query selector, and inside that what we're gonna pass is head, and we will put it inside a const called hide box. So const head box equals to document dot selector. So we get that element by now, and now we need a event listener to that. So head box dot add event listener, and change. When changed, we need trigger a function with the parameter e, and what we gonna do is if the head box dot checked appear, which we normally do. So checked, then what we trigger is the style will be changed into the what we call list, which we defined earlier by query selector. So list dot style dot display, which will be equals to none, which we already see in the CSS. So none, what that is, going to plus fine display. So you can see that in the list, which is our product list, would have a display, and which will change into none. And if it's already checked, then it would be what we call change into list dot style dot display equals to what we call initial, not initial D. If you're familiar with that anime, that would be good. I watched lots of car anime though. Yeah, I watch anime. So let's done with that. When we're done with that, now if we go to our here, you can see when we clicked hide all products, it's become hidden, right? So awesome, right? So hope you guys understand. See you guys in the next tutorial.